Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I am studying in MS from Comstat University
Okay.
right now.
All right, that's good. So let's take a start. Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I love to take photographs because it gives you your memorable memories and of your beautiful moments and events. Because that's why I think I love photography.
Okay. Do you prefer to take photos yourself or have other people to take your photos?
In my opinion, I think photo take by another person is good because when you take photo, it takes a time and even you miss the moment or the enjoyment of that moment. So I think a photo take by another person is
Photo
good
which is taken by other person is far better than taking a photo
by
on your or
yourself.
taking a selfie. Okay,
Okay.
let's go on. How long have you liked taking photos?
Uh, I honestly speaking, I don't think about it, but
Honestly speaking, I've never thought about it. I
I
have never thought about it.
I have never thought about it, but I think I'm interested from my childhood.
I have been interested in photography since my childhood. Repeat.
I have been interested in photography since my childhood because when I was 10, I took a photo at Murray, which gives me a very
Which gave me
which gave
past tense.
yes which gave me very which encouraged me.
Which encouraged me. Okay, you should focus your fluency and the answers should be timely. By the time you stop or you take a break, examiner will ask you the next question. That answer is
Okay,
gone.
okay,
Okay, so
okay,
you should speak timely.
okay.
All right, let's go on. How often do you take photographs now?
I take photographs on daily basis almost. Even I take photographs 2 to 3 times in a day.
Okay, this answer is short. You need to add some more. In what situations do you take photographs?
Almost in every situations, I would like to take photographs. Even I have downloaded an app in my mobile phone on which I upload my daily routine and my daily work. So I would like to take photos on my daily
Yeah,
basis
on daily basis in any
in
situation.
any situation.
Good. Just try to make yourself familiar with these type of questions
Okay.
and give proper answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.